Hi friends, in this video we will see how to uninstall a program or a software from your PC or laptop. Usually we install many programs or softwares as and when required, but we may not be needing them later, or we may not find the actual one and we would have installed a wrong program or whatever it is. So if you leave them as it is in the PC, it tries to occupy some more space. So it is better always to uninstall a program which we do not need anymore. So we will see in this video how to uninstall. So please type in a run command, bottom left portion here. I'm typing control panel, control panel. So here control panel option comes in. So click on control panel. So you see, so this is a control panel window which opens. There are various options available here. You please select programs. Programs is here. So click on uninstall a program. So this displays the various softwares that are available in your PC or laptop which are already installed. Now you please choose a software which you would like to uninstall. Let's say I am not finding something which I don't want, but I know the name. So I can search here also. There is such option. So I'm typing Filmora. See, this is a software with this name. So this is what I don't want to have in my PC. Right click on this. So uninstall. I'm clicking on uninstall. So it asks for an option. Are you sure really you do want to remove or not? So I want to remove. So yes, I'm clicking. Just wait, as it takes some time for uninstalling this program from the PC. So here once again it is asking, are you sure to completely remove this Filmora as well as its components? So even if the software related any components are in the PC, completely will be washed out, completely will be uninstalled. Yes. So I want to remove all of them. So I clicked yes. Choose some options. So these options may be sometimes based on some software. Few softwares may get uninstalled immediately without asking such options also. So it's getting uninstalled. See, do you want to remove all effect source resource files? Again, this is a software specific question. See, a confirmation message is displayed which says it is successfully removed from the computer. So this way it is very easy to remove any program from the computer using control panel option under the programs tab. Thank you for watching this.